Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a drawstring ponytail, and this time the ponytail will be a high ponytail. It kind of resembles a high puff for people that have longer hair. I have been loving wearing curly hair extensions these days because it is super easy to refresh curls with extensions types of hair before going to work in the morning. So yes, that's what we are doing today. I am sectioning my hair off into 3 sections. So for this style, we will only be using 3 sections to get all of our hair up into a ponytail. And as you all can see, I am working with blow dried hair. It is just a little bit easier for me to manipulate, and I am adding Eco Styler gel to get my hair slick as possible. And if you all see that mark on the back of my neck, I was having dry spots on my skin for a few days, but you guys, trust me, it's all gone and my neck is clean, so don't think that I am dirty. I am using my wet brush to slick the hair up, and as well my small edge brush just to get my hair as sleek as possible. I tell people all the time that I don't own like a hard bristle brush, and that is on purpose because in the past I used to love doing a lot of ponytails and stuff, and I try not to do them as often. So if I don't have a hard bristle brush, I'm less likely to do them as often. Once I have my hair in a ponytail, I am going to add a little bit more gel to the perimeter, and then I am going to give myself a few little swoop-de-doops and just adds a little bit more pizzazz to the hairstyle. And I do have lots of baby hair, so I try to get them laying as nice as possible. And to make sure that this hairstyle lasts us all week, I am going to add a few black strips to the perimeter of my hair before I set up under the dryer. And if you have awkward length hair like I do and doing a braid is just not going to work out, you can use the banding method like I am doing here to get all of the hair together so that you can have one little ball on top of your head. I do like to add my satin scarf on top of all of my hair just for a little bit more heat protection, and then I like to sit up under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. You can go a little bit longer or a little bit shorter, but you do want to make sure that your hair is about 90% dry. And then once you take off of the black strips and also the satin scarf, you will see how sleek your ponytail will be. Now this is the same drawstring ponytail that I used in a previous video. I just co-washed it because the hair was still pretty clean just to get those curls defined. And as you all can see, it has two combs that I like to use. I put one on top and one in the middle. And then I like to grab the drawstring to tighten it up. And I don't tighten it up too tight. I just make sure that it is tight enough but still comfortable. If you are interested in purchasing this ponytail, I will have a link in the description box below, and it is from Amazon, you guys. Amazon has been really shocking me with some of these hair extensions that they have lately, which I'm super proud about because it can arrive in 2 days if you have Amazon Prime. And as you all see here, I'm just twisting the drawstring around so that I can pin it in place. And to cover up the line of demarcation, I'm just grabbing a small section of the ponytail and wrapping it around, and then I am going to pin that in place as well. And because I haven't gotten dressed yet for the day, I am going to tie my satin scarf back on for about 15 minutes as I pick out my outfit. Here we all dry, crisp, and ready to go. As you all can see, this really looks like my hair. I had one of my cousins tell me recently, she was like, the video didn't do it justice, like this really looks like your hair. So I have really been loving these curly extensions, especially when they match my type 4 hair. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, I really can't wait to see you all in the next one. See ya!